huge smallmouth.
Yeah, you usually get the big ones on the live bait. Nice, there's your 17.
Wow, dude, thank you. Wow, can you believe that?
Yeah.
I didn't even know he was on there, dude.
Yeah, I can believe it.
Oh my God.
Hold that up.
You recording?
Yeah, nice. Cool. Didn't really do an intro today, kind of forgot. Same stuff, river fishing, using live bait. Maybe throw some lures today. Already missed one, he's caught one. So, they're biting. Let's see what happens. Oh, I caught a first fish of the day is a largemouth. My camera didn't want to work. Whatever, that's kind of unusual for, I guess not totally unusual for the river. Give me one sec. I probably would have bet you $1 million my first fish today wouldn't have been a largemouth out of the river. I don't know that I've caught a largie out of the river in like years. Yeah, definitely would not have been high on my list of guesses. Yeah, dang, that was a fish. I just didn't see my, well, I got 2 fish on right now, 2 of them. Now, so this fish, I will just boat flip. And this fish, if it's a bigger fish, I will net, if I even catch him, you know. And I ain't even caught up to him yet. Where's he at? You're still running somewhere. Another smallmouth. Both of them. Thanks for throwing my bait back at me. I don't know if I can use him again or not. He might have messed him up. 2 fish at the same time. I don't know if that's happened on this trip yet. One of these trips. Like simultaneously. I'd say they're biting, but with the warm weather, it's not really like a big stretch. Like, oh my God, I wonder if they're biting. Yeah, it's warm outside. And it just became spring. Well, yeah, they're gonna bite. Okay, you'll get your turn to get unhooked. Hi, squirrel. Why did I have to catch the micro bass? He caught the big one. Let's stop bringing him. I'd have caught the big one if I was alone. It is what it is. You can't be selfish all the time, right? Dose. Well, that makes trace. Yeah, I got him. What is he? Oh, it's a catfish. Oh, okay. Huh. I was like, why is this so big? Well, I thought he was something else. I thought he was a pike or something. Whoa, 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 whoa. He's gonna get my other line and I ain't gonna like that. All right, now that he can't mess me up. Hey, come here. Oh, he's a pretty good sized channel cat for the river. Holy crap. That's a big cat for the river. Thing I believe in keeping this big net. You never know what you're gonna get in the river. We got my, all right, we'll unhook him real quick. All right, he's kinda, oh, there you go. Nice winter channel cat. Yeah, 5 pounds at least. He's got it. I think. Yeah, he's got it. Pretty good one. Yeah, small jaw. It's a medium. Man, I don't usually catch fish through here as much. These fish are just biting in areas. He's just dark, he ain't big. Do I really have to get pliers? He's got that right in the side. Come on, there we go. There, little guy. Yeah. That's a good one. Bigger than I thought. That's a good one. Yeah. Tree's always good for one. Oh, I gotta not get snagged though. It's a problem fishing two bobbers. There's a lot of snaggy stuff right there. Downgraded that bait and caught that. Oh. Pretty decent. Might even get my bait back. Man, almost got it out. There we go. Fat one. Fat. He hit it so light. Another one. He hit it so light, I didn't even think he was on there. Now this one will just... I don't know if I can reuse that bait or not. Yeah, little guy. Yeah, we'll just... I think what I'm going to do... Those fish are so... They might as well be part of the tree. They're so close to it. I'm just going to put this rig up for a minute. And just fish one tree. It's too hectic in there. Try to fish two. I don't know where they hit that or not. Is he alive? Let's see. What is this? Oh, it's a, what is that? It's like a really funny colored smallmouth. I didn't catch him. He was too small. Oh, well, guess I'll try through there again. That could be the end of the day. Not to say we can't catch a fish between here and that bridge, but usually not. It's kind of nice when the water's zooming. It actually makes it... Oh, that was a rock. That makes it a little less hectic. Well, he found him a little patch of calm water. I'm gonna go ahead and just go on down and not try to... Well, you don't want to get snagged here. That could be a death sentence. Wow. Sounds like the frogs woke up. Well, here we are at a lake I haven't tried for quite a bit. This one's a little more known for giant largies and fairly large size crappie and bluegill. So we'll see if we can get one of the three. Maybe something to surprise me. I don't know. A little windy out there, but not bad. Looks like this lake got some of its water back too, which is nice. Huh. Had that odd color. I almost thought he was a crappie for a second. Just a very dark bass. Yeah, that's what I'm missing. What could it possibly be? Yeah, unfortunately, this is also what this lake is famous for. Kind of avoid it like the plague. Plenty of good bass to start a pond with. double, which means I'm in small bass territory. Yeah. Oh well. Oh yeah. It's like, is this another little one? No. This is not a little one. Get my net. Oh God. Oh, not a little one. Holy crap. Not a little one. Whew. This is what I came out here for right here. This is gonna be big bass of the year for sure. This could be the biggest bass I catch all year long, without a doubt. Oh my. Ooh, he was hooked good. Whew. Oh. He's starting to poop. Man, that has got to be... It's not even very long. Oh man. That is a quality fat bass right there. Oh my God. Gave him a little net time. I actually want a picture of that guy. I don't take pictures that often. All right. Take him over to this island real quick, because I don't know where else to go. The other island is chock full of geese. So I think I'm gonna have to get my toes really, really cold here for a minute. And he's very angry in that net, but I don't, you know, I want him to be in the net while I'm trying to screw around and get out of my boat. That's the problem with fishing in a kayak. You really, you know, want to actually kind of control the fish. You gotta, it helps to get to the bank. All right, well, that is a big bass. Large bass. At least it's gotta be pushing 5, right? Woo! See you, girl. Well, it's April, and we're back in the perch hole, hoping to get on that same bite I was on in the fall. Hard to say. I don't know that I fished it this early. I mean, I think we could get a perch this time of year. I'd imagine. Crappie for sure, but the crappie have been real spotty in here. Bluegills for sure, and probably like a small bass. Who knows? Occasional catfish comes out of here. Kind of a mixed bag. There's also red ears in here. I don't know that I've really caught anything else other than that, but who knows? New year, we'll see. Oh, that's a fish, huh? I would think. Jesus. I think I got, this has got to be a bass or something. What is this? Yeah, it's a bass. I got fish on that too, I think. I didn't want you on the perch rig, but I'll take you. First fish out in the middle of nowhere. And I definitely got a fish on the other one, but I can't do anything about it right now. Ah, hell with it. Let's reel the other one in. The other one's got a fish I kind of want on it. Big crappie. Okay. Oh, shoot. Don't do that, man. That's a good crappie. That's what this lake's known for, kind of like doubling up, like can't really do nothing about it. Yeah, he definitely hit the minnow. Oh shoot, I'm gonna say he's probably 12 inches all day, right? Cool. Let's get this bass off, huh? We'll get him in a bucket. That bass, he ain't nothing to talk about. This whole lake's full of those. He'll swim down. It's a long ways down there. Just caught. No shit, wow. Yeah. I didn't even know he was on there. He was probably on there the whole time, and he didn't even bend the pole. This is what we came here for. This is what we came here for. Awesome. I was getting a bite on that one too. There you go. Oh, don't do that. All right, we need you to go in there. Thank you. That was on worm. That's what those are. I just can't catch them. Oh man, they're hitting it so light. I will be danged. Fish the whole lake, come back to where I caught one and catch one right away. Boy, that's a big one too. Jeez, Pete, that's a big one. Look at the size of that thing. My God. Well, it's been a few fish, big fish, but that's a surprise catch of the day right there. 13.5-inch perch, the biggest one of the year. That's, you know, hard to do this one-handed, but it's a 5-gallon bucket, and he don't go through sideways. It's pretty big for a perch around here. Real wide too. Tall in the back. Yeah, there's an eagle for you. You probably can't see. I'm gonna try crappie fishing today to round out this video. I'd imagine we'd have some success in here. Have in the past. Let's get after it. What is this? Is this our first victim? Nah, probably not. It is a crappie. That's a good sign. Like I said, I ain't fished this in a while, so I don't know. Kind of dinky. We're not gonna keep them like that. Oh, I got 2 fish on. No, they're still kind of. That one might keep. Well, I don't know. How picky am I gonna be today? That's probably about, I don't know, maybe. Oh, am I already down?
It's a spot. That's the spot, buddy.
I'm already, yeah, I was on. They must be out there. Throw him in there. Thank you.
Yeah. Yeah, they are out.
Oh yeah, that's like a 13, 12, 13 incher right off the bat. At least 12. Oh, good. We need crappie. I got 1 bag of crappie left in the freezer, so I actually do need them. I've been doing a lot of fish fries. Yeah, that was instant. As soon as my bobber hit over, that's where you just caught him too. Oh yeah, well, he ain't an award winner, but he's probably gonna go, man, wish they'd quit making me think about it. I guess I can always throw the little ones back early. Yeah. Low. It's taking off. Little one. Can't even set the hook on him. Well, he ain't a little one. Well, that ain't little. Ah, be danged. That's my biggest one of the day. God, he hit it so wimpy. These cold water bites are just wimpy bites. And you see, he just barely took the bobber under. I guess I'll eat it. That's not a big one, but that's a solid 10, 11. Let's get it back there, huh? For sure. Of course, I didn't get that one on film. He ain't a giant by any means, but he's definitely biggin' of the day. Why we came here. I don't know if he's that big, but he's a good one. I just ain't seen big crappie, you know, hardly this year. Hopefully start seeing them more. That's a good one. I would say that fish has to be 13 inches. It's 13 and a half. 13 and a half.
Mine must have been about what?
13. Oh no, it probably was 12, 13. I didn't measure yours. Just threw that out there. Oh yeah, it's another hog. Jesus. Oh, another hog, Daddy. Another one. These are females too. I can feel their egg bellies. Nice. Just wish this wind wouldn't. Yeah, they're just right there. Probably 100 feet off the bank. That one went under as soon as I cast it out. It ain't a bad one. Another hog leg. Hey, another hog leg. And I love just catching big crappie. Caught a few small ones today, but they're just averaging so nice in here. Good Lord. Why can't this be every day? Really, the only problem today is just trying to stay where the school is. That's it. If you could just stay in one spot, my God, you would just sit there, and it's hard to target fish out in the middle of nowhere. There's nothing really. I mean, you could throw a little buoy out or whatever they do, but you just got to kind of drift back and forth through them out here. And they do move around. It's not like we have electronics or anything. We're just throwing lures and minnows out, hoping for the best.
You want to keep that one?
Throw him back. He ain't worth paddling over for. He threw my minnow too. Thanks, chump. They moved in shallower. That's why I wasn't catching.
They call him Captain Perch.
Yeah, they're just right here. Be a little. Man, these are nice crappie. Man, these are nice. I've been missing you guys. Mm-hmm. They're right at the tip of my boat.
I think so. I think you're right.
It's another hog daddy. Oh my goodness. Whoa. Another 13 and a half. Why can't this be every day? Good Lord, I don't even know if I'm showing these fish to the camera. Another one. Oh, running out of room in the inn, but I got a basket stringer that I can go hang somewhere. If I run out of room in the bucket. I brought a cooler, but it don't fit in my boat very good. Wow. Just wow. Oh, I got two on right now. Nope. And this one's a horse. Absolute horse, and I got another one on. Let's get him unhooked. Catch the other one. That's another good one too. Oh my God. Two back to back. Two pigs. Oh my God. Two pigs at once, Chris.
No shit.
Yeah.
I might have to come get some.
I don't even know where he is. I can feel his tail. He's underneath me somewhere. I had to just...
But not like that.
Oh, you seen it. Double banging big crappies. Probably a 13 and a half and a probably just under 13. I don't even know. I don't even care. I'm gonna have to do something about this bucket situation, because that water's licking the top of my bucket right now. I'd like to shed some of these clothes too. It's getting warm. Where were those at? I thought I saw grass. That's the kind of double you dream of. He ain't big, but they are right there. Actually, let me keep my minnow. Oh man. Right there. Little guy. Man, it's good to see. I'm not after little ones, but it's good to see there's all sizes represented. Means they're breeding, being successful. And they're just right there. Just aim for the water today. I just threw him back, but I don't even care. That bobber is gone. Jeezy Pete's. Bobber is gone. And I am out of places to put fish. I am gonna have to literally stop fishing because I'm catching too many fish. Oh. Whew. That's all there is to it. I gotta go find somewhere to get out, because that is gonna spill over if I throw one more fish in there. So I just gotta cut myself off, just like you're at the bar. Just gotta cut myself off for a minute and come back. Do same thing I did last year when I ran out of room in the bucket. I keep this basket stringer in the bottom of my kayak. Seen better days, but should hold them. Just gotta kind of unfurl it a little bit. There we go. Get these guys out. Yeah, look at that. Ain't that ridiculous? How fast a bucket fills up. I mean, that's crazy. Man, I'm not gonna sit here and make you guys watch me put 20 crappie in a basket, but you see why I'm doing it. I'm running out of room. Whatever this is very, very large. Oh, it's a catfish.
Cat?
Yeah. I was like, man, that is fighting hard for a cat or a crappie. Well, even a small catfish fights harder than a crappie. Okay, well, that's not what I want, but whatever. That's a whale on the, oh my God, that's got to be biggest of the day. Close to it. That was on the lure. Man, well, I don't know. Pretty good one for my now empty again bucket. I've been tracing the minnows through there, but that one wanted the lure. Weird. Lure.
That's lure?
This is, yeah, that's on lure. Little swim bait. It's like a 2-inch swim bait. Small as I could find that I had. Oh, I'm catching these fish now around the minnows that were working. About threw him out. Not like it'd be a great loss to society. But yeah, we got, that's a good one. Well, finding some kind of rhythm, and they're hitting lures now that I'm guessing because they've gone deeper with the heat of the day. So I'm just getting my hair deeper, which means I need to set my bobbers deeper and throw them out there further.
Bass?
Mm-hmm. He was a little bit too he's a little bit too frisky to be a crappie.
Bob her down.
Yeah, I know. I gotta.
Or wait, maybe it ain't.
It's all right. It probably is getting a bite. I can't do nothing about it anyway right now. Angry fish in my hand. First bass of the day. Knew we'd get on them eventually. My drag set way too loose for bass. Probably another, yep, another catfish. A good one. Ain't too bad. Man, they have really calmed down though since this morning. I mean, I'm catching them still, but not like I was. They kind of went out in the middle. Also got off the bank and found a mushroom. I can't believe it. Makes me want to go check one of my spots down here. I know it's a little early for yellows. Jeez. Say that ain't no crappie. Pulling hard. Oh, he's caught in the back of the throat too. Come here, you. Oh, cut it out. You're gonna put me in the trees. Well, sorry, but you gotta go in the rod holder. Just remember, when you're fishing in a kayak, the worst thing you can do is crash into the tree branches. Get covered in spiders, scratch your face all to hell. Oh. Now, if he was a fish, I didn't care if I lost. I might take the chance of maiming myself, but I ain't gonna maim myself for a 1-pound bass. Shut up, eagle. Yeah, do a flyby. See what I'm doing. I'm poaching your fish. Okay, so there's the final haul. You know, I got like a Mountain Dew bottle for size comparison, but those are the bigs. Some of them are well over 13 inches. And then, you know, your normal eaters over there. I think I got 32, 5 of them fell out of my bucket. Whatever. That's plenty of fish. Thanks for watching. Appreciate it. I'll catch you on the next one. That's the end of this long video. I know it's got a lot of days and parts to it. See ya.